All right, in this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to download videos from the 123Movies network of sites. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google and you're going to type SERP apps 123Movies downloader, and you're going to look for this GitHub one here. And when you click it, you should be taken to github.com/serpapps/123movies downloader. So when you're there, scroll down a little bit, and on the right side, you're going to see this releases area. So click on the releases link, and you should be taken to the latest and greatest release of the 123Movies downloader. And if you scroll down just a little bit here, you're going to see releases for various browsers. So since I'm doing this for Chrome, I'm going to click on the 123Movies downloader chrome.zip file. And what that's going to do is it's going to download the 123Movies downloader extension to my computer, but in a zip file. So we just have to go to the zip file and unzip it. So just double click it and unzip it. For me, my stuff downloads to the desktop. Yours might go to a downloads folder or something like that. So next, what we want to do is we want to go to a new tab and we want to type Chrome://extensions. And when you get to this page, look at the top right area, and you want to make sure that this developer mode thing is turned on. So it'll be blue, and when it's on like this, you'll notice that there are some additional options over here. One of them being this load unpacked button, which allows us to load that unzipped extension that we just installed. So I'm going to select that, and you'll see that the downloader for 123Movies has been added here to my extensions. And if I want to get it to show up in this extensions toolbar thing up here, then what we're going to do is click this little puzzle piece icon, find the extension and click this pin icon, and now it's up here for us. So at this point, we want to go to a 123Movies page or site. So I'm just going to pull one up here. Let's see, 123Movies. And I'm just going to click on this first one here. So now, the first time we do this extension, what we want to do is add our email address and verify it with a one-time verification code. So I will put in my email here and I'll send a verification code. And then if you go to your email and grab the code, you can plop it in there and click verify and continue, and then you'll be good to go. And you'll notice here that the extension is obviously working because it's already finding this video here. But sometimes, and it's always good practice to click play on the video that you're trying to download, because some videos, depending on the format or the way that they are delivered, they actually have to be played in order to be put into your browser. And so now you'll see that there's different qualities coming up based on the video file that was played here. So we can simply click the download video button, and we can have a progress. We'll have a progress indicator up here, and when it's finished downloading this video, it's going to download to the same place where your browser downloads this stuff to. And I'm not going to I'm not going to make you sit here and watch this because it's a 2-hour long video, so it's going to take a few minutes. But you can watch the progress here. You can navigate to a different page. You can start downloading another video or whatever you want. But basically, downloading from the 123Movies type sites is as simple as following those steps, opening up the extension and hitting the download button.